Source, radar indicated. Impact, travel will become difficult in
Southeast of New Albany to Millersburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Muhlenberg, Dunmore, Kingston, Berwick, Nanticoke, and Plains. This includes the following highway exits: Interstate 80 between 256 and 273. Pennsylvania Interstate 81 between 143 and 194. Interstate 84 between 1 and 4. Interstate 380 between 20 and 24. Interstate 476 between 105 and 131. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. The following is...
If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. Is an urgent winter weather message. For the following county: Columbia, Pennsylvania.
Okay. Well, there's more where that came from.